Hi, I'm Fiona. I'm the owner and designer of Love Wildly Design Co. And today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY wedding stationery. Today we are going to be focusing on this beautiful Perspex Save the Dates. I'm going to show you how to make it yourself. So you will need a Perspex Disk, a vinyl sheet. You can get your vinyl cut by most printing places. Some masking tape, a ruler to measure out your vinyl, and 2 magnets that you can get at any stationery shop, P&A, that type of place, and super glue. So first off, you're going to take your vinyl sheet and your masking tape and your ruler, and you're going to measure out on your Perspex Disk your vinyl sheet. And when you're ready with that, you just stick your masking tape at the top to make sure that it doesn't move. And you're going to lift up your transfer paper, making sure that the vinyl sticks to the transfer paper. And as you pick it up, you'll see the letters start to stick to the transfer paper. Okay, so once you've lifted up your masking tape and your vinyl is stuck to the Perspex, it'll look something like this. And then you just flip it over on the back and you take your 2 little magnets and your super glue, and you just stick your 2 magnets to the back of the Perspex Disk. And ta-da, you're done! That was so easy. You'll save the date. This is really helpful because you can even make your own Perspex name tags. If you don't have vinyl, you can simply cut out your letters, something like this, and you get this really awesome Sharpie pen. It's an oil-based pen, and it can write onto Perspex directly. So you can just take your cut out paper and apply it, and you can write onto your Perspex. Easy. The advantages of making your own wedding stationery is it's fun, you can be creative and add your own personal touch to your wedding stationery, as well as save a bit of money. Making your own wedding stationery isn't for every bride, and that's totally fine. It can be time consuming, and if it's not your thing, that's where I come in and I can help you create your vision with my expertise and knowledge.